Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about a very important river, the Indus River. It flows through India and Pakistan. A long time ago in ancient India, it was called the Sindhu. We know about it from the Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is like a really old songbook, full of hymns or religious songs. The people who wrote the Rig Veda, the Vedic people, lived near the Indus River. They thought it was super special, like a gift. The Rig Veda tells us how big and strong the river was and how much the Vedic people needed it to live. Lots of the hymns are about rivers, saying how important they are and how they give life. They even talk about the Sindhu as a god, asking it for help, safety and food. The Rig Veda is like a window into the past, showing us how the Vedic people lived and what they believed, and how much the Sindhu River meant to them. The Rig Veda is just full of amazing descriptions of the Sindhu River. The hymns talk about its strength and beauty and how it makes everything grow. They say it's full of energy, like a powerful horse or a strong bull. One hymn even says it's like a roaring lion. Another calls it the king of all rivers. The hymns also tell us how the Sindhu took care of the people, giving them water to drink and food to eat. The Vedic people were so thankful for the Sindhu, they knew they couldn't live without it. They wrote lots of hymns to show their respect and to ask for the river's help. They really believed the river could hear them and help them. The hymns are full of beautiful words that help us understand how much the Sindhu meant to them and how they saw the world. The Vedic people believed the Sindhu River was more than just water. They gave it human qualities, like it was alive and had feelings. That's called personification. They worshipped the Sindhu as a god, believing it could control their lives and give them blessings. The Sindhu was a powerful god, and the Vedic people were both a little afraid of it and very respectful of its power. They told stories about the Sindhu, passing them down through families. These stories taught people about the river's power and how to respect it. The Sindhu was a huge part of their religion, one of the most important gods they worshipped. They believed it was a powerful god who could look after them, so they worshipped it and asked for its blessings. The Sindhu River wasn't just important for giving the Vedic people water. It was important to their whole culture and religion. They thought it was a sacred river, a special gift. The Sindhu gave them life, providing water for their crops and fish to eat. They built their cities near it because they needed it to survive. The Sindhu also inspired them. They wrote so many hymns and poems about it. Other people lived near the Sindhu too, but it's the Vedic people's Rig Veda that tells us so much about the river and how important it was. Even today, the Sindhu River is still a lifeline for millions of people, and it's still considered sacred by many. The Sindhu River reminds us of the amazing history and culture of the Indian subcontinent.